Hi, my today's recipe, as you can see, waffles, savory, not from white flour, but from quinoa and lentils. Also tried making some thin pancakes. One is plain with nothing inside, and the other one is stuffed with vegetables. How I prepared them? Waffles, I fermented the batter for a few hours. The other one is straight grinding and making pancakes. Okay, let's go through three different recipes now. Hi, welcome back to Let's Cook Vegan Niru's Kitchen. I think I'm doing my this recipe after more than 2 years. This is quinoa. Not many people love the flavor or the taste of quinoa as such in boiled recipes, but I'm going to make a pancake, thin pancake, healthy one. So you can take half cup of quinoa if you want to make only few of them, not a lot. So I'm using 1 cup, 2 cups of quinoa. You can reduce the amount to one-fourth or half. If you're inviting friends over, you can make as much as I'm making, but otherwise you can reduce to half or one-fourth. I'm taking 1 cup of channa dal. I'm taking another dal. It's from Indian grocery store, Urad dal. It's a white colored dal. So rich in protein, low in carbs, and a very healthy recipe. Now I'm taking 1 cup of Mung dal. All in all, I've taken 3 cups of dal and 2 cups of quinoa. What you're going to do, you're going to cut this into half or even into one-fourth, the same recipe. You have to mix them together, add water, and soak this for 4 to 5 hours. Before soaking, you have to rinse it thoroughly and wash 2, 3 times and then soak it. My mixture is ready. It's soaked for 4 hours. The next step is to grind this. I'm using Vitamix. So grind this with half a cup of water. I've taken half a cup of water. Grind this to a fine paste. As I was grinding the paste, I noticed it's a little bit thicker. So I'm going to add half a cup of water more in this paste and then grind it again. Just see the consistency is like this. It's very fine paste and it's drooping very well. Very soft and fluffy and nice. So make it like that. Our batter is ready. I've added some salt, half a teaspoon of salt, more than half. Um, so take a spoonful of batter, spread it out fast, easy. Bit of olive oil. This one I bought from Kmart for $15. See, you can lift it now and I show you the other side. You can turn it over, little bit of oil, very healthy. They are quinoa and lentils. You can use any lentils. You can use any type of quinoa. Very healthy. It's done, easy. You can make it as crispy as you want. In India, we call this dosa. You can call this thin pancakes. This is done. Bit of olive oil, But let this cook first. This pancake is brown from this end. I am doing some green chutney on this one for the taste. I've already added salt in the batter, some mushrooms, carrots, capsicum. That's my choice. Some onions. You can add anything you like. Okay, you might have noticed I'm using my hands along with the spatula. I'm from India and we are used to making rotis, so I'm happy touching it, but you don't try to touch it if it's very hot. Our pancakes are ready. Now I'm going to try some waffles. Let's do that now. I divided my batter into two halves. One half I'm using for the fresh one I'm using for the pancakes, but the other one I left for 4 to 5 hours of fermentation. Just left it aside. Now I'm going to make waffles out of this and adding some carrots, onions, mushrooms, capsicum, and some tomatoes. Mix them well and make waffles. In the waffle maker, bit of oil, I'm using olive oil, and the batter. Let's see how they come up. Give them 5 minutes and we'll see how they come up. I'm making them for the first time, but it's a good idea to create waffles. Quinoa is very healthy. Lentils are very healthy. So you're not going to regret after eating this. You can make waffles, store them in the fridge if you like. You can make pancakes. Yep, they look good. Maybe 2 minutes more. They look yummy. Have a look. They look really yummy. Are they easy to lift? Don't know. Oh wow, they're coming out well. I'll show you from the both the sides. See, they're done. This one, plain, and the other one is stuffed. And this one, they are savory waffles. Very delicious, very healthy. You must give them a try. My favorite. If you have a waffle maker, why not to use it? Okay, can you guess what I'm doing now? I'm using the same batter, and what I'm doing, I'm making savory pancakes from the same batter. You can turn them over and see how quick, how nice they are. It's the same quinoa and lentil batter. You can make a whole stack of pancakes for your 1 week and leave it in the fridge. Heat up and eat. So simple, so easy. No gluten, no bland taste of quinoa. It's really yummy. Wow, look at this. Look at the pancakes. Crispy, brown, yummy. Yummy, savory pancakes. Just check the texture, the color. They're very quick, very easy. Look, so easy. It's ready. I can make as many as I like, and I will put them in a box and store them in my fridge.